How about that? Door better? Yes.
Okay, we got a box of tribute live from LJ Sports Cards in Binghamton, New York. Fix the camera a little bit. Can you see me?
You can't see your face. It's probably
Yeah, picture my face is definitely a good thing. Okay, you're looking for a booklet. No, it's giving extra thick. That sucks. Yeah, whatever. Okay, first pack. First card, base of Raleigh's Fingers. Joey Votto. Trish Speaker. On the back, we have a Roy Halladay Black Refractor number 299. And the hit is an autograph. Number 75, Ramirez, double jersey. That kind of blows. Yeah, whatever. Pack number 2. Babe Ruth base. Josh Hamilton base. Jimmy Fox base. On the back, Jimmy Fox refractor, number 219. And then hit. I don't want to look at it. I want to feel it first. It feels like an autograph. Okay. The Black Refractor. I've seen a lot of this guy pulled. Back card, number 250 of Evan Longoria. Not too bad. Where are all my hits? All my memorabilia. Here's one. Come on, Babe Ruth. David Wright base. San Mujo base. The Yankee. It's the Yankee. Greg Maddux. Wade Boggs, number 250, Gold Refractor. And my hit is the back card of Babe Ruth. Sweet. Number 6 of 75. All right. That makes me happy. The next pack is my autograph. It's thick ones. I don't know if that means anything. I want to see the autograph for the last pack. Josh Beckett base. Rogers Hornsby base. Roy Halladay base. Rifkin Blue, number 219. And the last card is the relic. Okay. Oh, crappy is this. Number 299, a back card of Mike Piazza. Yeah.
Hall of Fame, man.
Yes. He's terrible. Next pack. We got a booklet. Woohoo! We got a booklet. So hopefully this next one here is not autographed. And that makes my booklet an autograph. Okay. Reggie Jackson, Chipper Jones, Matt LaPorta, Don Zimmer, that's pretty sweet, number 25 of 99. And the hit, don't be autographed. Sweet. Bob Gibson jersey, that's pretty nice. Number 12 of 50. That means that's the autograph. This could be sick. Okay. Come on. 1 of 1 or something good. Yeah, the base card is not bad. Noah Ryan, number 73 of 99. Okay. It says, I've seen better. Number 13/25, double back card, double autograph of Johnny Bench and Jay Bruce. Yeah, that's not bad. That's pretty good. I'm happy. So there's that. Do a quick recap. We got the Ramirez, the LaGloria, and the double, Babe, Piazza, and Bob Gibson, and a bunch of base cards. Alright, that's all. Thank you.